This is a bit of a demonstration on the gizmos that we will be using today. As you can see a heart pumping like this, and all of these networks are a collection of your body's veins, arteries, and capillaries. Obviously a very simplified version. So what we have here is the heart, and if I show the labels like this, I can click down here, you can see the left atrium and the left ventricle, the right atrium, the right ventricle, and as I said, a fairly simplified version of the blood the passages of blood as it goes around your body. For example, the left lung. So we've got it semi-accurately positioned. It's up the top here in comparison to, say, your right kidney, your trunk and your legs, which are down here. Your head obviously is up here, and your left arm, right arm over here. Now, if I click down here, show blood flow, you can see those little balls are representing red blood or blood, which, contains plasma, platelets, and white blood cells, as well as red blood cells now. You can see that they are in the right atrium, right ventricle. They are pumped to the left lung and right lung, where they are oxygenated. They return oxygenated to the left atrium, and then the left ventricle pumps them out all around the body, to your head, your left arm, your right lung, etc. They're returned deoxygenated to the body, to the heart, to the right atrium, right ventricle, where they are returned to the lungs to pick up more oxygen, and the cycle continues. So what I want you to do is explore this, have a look at it. It's a really good interactive activity, but I also want you to use this syringe here to take a blood sample. Now, when you click on it, you can drag it over and you see these green spots. You can take a sample of blood from any of these spots. And what I want you to do, so I'm going to take it from here. And you can see that the data from this blood sample, we have oxygen and carbon dioxide. Don't worry about the blood sugar and the urea. I don't want you to worry about that for now. I'm just looking at the amounts here. Okay. Now, if you remember your labeling of your heart diagram, you should be able to remember that this is a pulmonary artery going away from the heart, and it's taking samples of deoxygenated blood. So what I want you to do is then compare the data of from the blood sample for oxygen and carbon dioxide from an area where the blood is oxygenated, so a red area, okay, and see if there is a difference. And then tell me why you might think there is a difference. So basically, this awesome GIZMOS activity then asks you, or then I ask you to scroll down, and there are some assessment questions here. There are only 5 questions, but I would please like you to finish all 5. Okay, so they're multiple choice. Then check your answers. Okay, and then if you get any incorrect, I want you to go back and maybe have another go at this, and then retry the questions until you get 5 correct. Okay?